Hey Grandma, Aunt Sally told us about your treatment that you have to have.
So we looked some stuff up on Google, and here's some stuff.
During our research of dialysis treatment, we've discovered that the cell environment is in the cell membrane.
It is a water-based area and it contains cytoplasm, is packed full of cellular machinery and structural environments.
Here's some good words we found.
Diffusion is when particles move from a lot to not a lot.
Wes is showing the process of diffusion, where particles of high concentration, him, go into a place of low concentration, the balloon.
Osmosis is a key factor in knowing what dialysis is. Osmosis is the diffusion of fluids through the cell membrane.
In this, the balloon represents the cell membrane and the water molecules are passing through it. Hypertonic solution is any solution with a higher osmotic pressure than that of any normal cell body.
Here shows two bottles, one which has higher than normal.
This relates to your dialysis, specifically because the hypertonic solution represents the dirty blood that you have in your stream that your kidney can't process, and how it is going to move through diffusion over the semi-permeable membrane into the machine to help you clean out your blood.
So there's this thing that's called like a hypotonic solution, and it has a lower push force than another thing.
And there's this thing called an isotonic solution. And it's when two things have the same push force, but they're different things.
Actually, a hypotonic solution is any solution that has a lower osmotic pressure than another solution.
Here, one of the bottles has less than the average amount.
The hypotonic solution, which is displayed on the right, is important to your dialysis treatment because this resembles the dialysis machine helping your kidneys purify your blood. It'll start out with less contents, but as time goes on, it'll help purify your blood and help out your kidney.
And an isotonic solution occurs when two solutions have the same osmotic pressure in a semi-permeable membrane. An isotonic solution also allows free movement of water along the membrane without changing the concentration on either side.
Here are two bottles of solution that have an equal amount of solute.
Because these solutions are isotonic, they have the same amount of solute, which means that they can both transfer throughout the semi-permeable membrane without creating a difference in concentration. This is a key part to your dialysis treatment. This shows the free movement of the blood back and forth through you and the machine that will be helping purify your blood.
When the cell has to relieve itself, it's called cell waste, which means it has to go to the bathroom.
Actually, cell waste is formed as a byproduct of cellular respiration. The processes and reactions used to generate energy for cells, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, both create different waste products.
In here, the cell created an anaerobic waste product.
When these things in your body stop working, your body will give up.
And then your stomach will hurt.
A lot.
A lot.
Hemodialysis is one form of treatment for your kidney failure. Over the course of 3 to 7 weeks, you would be hooked up to a machine that would clean your kidneys and purify blood in place of your non-functioning kidneys. Another type of treatment is peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis makes the peritoneum in your abdomen as the membrane which fluids and dissolved substance are exchanged.
So Grandma, I know this seems like a lot.
But it's all good.
This is a lot for you, but we're here for you.
I hope this video helped you realize that dialysis treatment isn't that bad. We love you, Graham.